Welcome to the Kretus website. In this webinar, we will be going over everything that you can find and where to find it on the website. Starting with the home page, we do have several different tabs that we will be going over shortly. We also have our mission statement, a paragraph about the products that we make, and our testimonials. We also have our address and our distributor at the bottom of the page, as well as our social media icons. Starting with the About Us tab, you can find more information on how to contact Kretus, information about our distributor Jon, as well as a gallery of pictures of different jobs that have been completed. You can also sign up for our newsletter from the About Us tab, as well as find more about our story, our social media, testimonials, and our COVID-19 statement. Next up is the Products tab. This is where you can find our product catalog, which has a list of every single product that Kretus carries. There is an index so you know which product starts on what page. There will also be a general overview about that product and all of the different Jon part numbers for that product. Next up on the Products tab is our Products at a Glance card. So this is a card that has all of our different products listed out, and it gives you information like the application temperature, the working time, the recoat time, the return to service, and the full cure for that specific product. Also under our Products tab is a list of all of our different products and their home pages. On each product homepage, you can find a video about that product, their product guide, the technical data sheets, the color chart, and the general overview for that specific product, as well as our new modular maps, the safety data sheets, an advantages wheel, all of the kit sizes, and the color chart pulled out here on that product's homepage. The next tab is the Systems tab. This has our system calculator. You can download the calculator via Google Drive or on Dropbox. The calculator will help you or the contractor estimate the coverage rates and how much product you may need. We also have different videos on how to work the calculator and some FAQs about our systems calculator. Also under the Systems tab will be all of the different types of systems that we offer. For example, clicking on Metallic, you will have the Metallic brochure, the installation guide, and the color chart, as well as additional documentation that you might need for installing a Metallic system. Moving on to the Resources tab, this has our applicator skill level. So this will have a paragraph about level 1, level 2, level 3, so contractors can read this and figure out what skill level they are at for installing Kretus products. This also has our color charts, installation guides, product guides, safety data sheets, technical data sheets, all together in one page. So if you were looking for both the top shelf epoxy and the urethane polymer concrete product guide, instead of having to go to the Products tab and individually click on each product, you can go to the Resources tab and find all of the product guides in one area. Next up is the Project Planning tab. So this is where you're going to be able to find your different checklists, warranties, reports, your special order form. For example, just clicking on checklist reports and warranties, this is where you're going to find the pre-job checklist, your daily report for Kretus installations, the extended warranty, and the limited warranty. So the Project Planning tab will just have all of the documentation that you might need when you're planning out your next project. Lastly is our Marketing tab. So this is where you're going to find all of the designed marketing materials like our brochures, our installation guides. You can also get the literature request form from the Marketing tab so that you can request brochures for your Jon stores. You also have the Products at a Glance card, the product catalog, and the product line card all under the Marketing tab. As you can see, we do list out our different documentation on several different tabs. For example, the brochures you can get under the Marketing tab, but you can also find all of the different brochures under each Systems tab as well. So hopefully you will be able to find any documentation that you may need.